DNC Card Breaks back with another break. Today we are featuring the 2018 Topps Chrome Blaster Box. I have two of these. Obviously it's last year's product, but looking for the guy on front here, Ohtani, and looking for Acuna as well. You know, obviously any of the inserts, or hopefully lucky enough to pull a auto out of this. 7 packs plus 1 bonus pack of exclusive Chrome cards. 32 cards inside those 4 bonus refractors. In case anyone hasn't seen the odds of pulling cards there, and you want to know what that is on this blaster box, you can pause that and take a look at it. This will be my first time opening this product with just getting into the hobby. Obviously I was not buying any cards last year. Came across these online for a good deal, so I thought I would grab a few boxes of them and see what I might be able to pull out of it. In the back, got a couple more blaster boxes of Topps 2018 Series 1 and then 2018 Bowman. I'll be making videos of them as well. Got a hobby box of 2019 Prism I'll be making a video of, and a hobby box of 2019 Gypsy Queen that I'm going to be making a video. And if I can get back with Corey, meet up with him again, then we'll rip into some of that vintage wax back there with the upper deck and the Donruss. So let's get into these Topps Chrome here and see what we can be lucky enough to pull. I'll save the refractor pack for last. Yep, this is a good looking card. A lot of good action shots. Got that chrome finish on it. Nick Williams rookie card. Arano rookie card. Oh, and there's an Ohtani rookie card. Not signed or anything. And I'm not sure in this product if he just has this one card as a pitcher. I don't know if he has a card as a hitter as well. Someone wants to comment below. Let me know if he's got multiple cards in here. That would be great. But not a bad way to start off a pack with a Ohtani rookie card. And then we've got a Tim Anderson. It's a good looking card. Also, guys, if you can help us out, subscribe to the channel, that'll help. Like this video, that'll help. Plan to make more of these, at least a few a week, so if you subscribe to them, that would be great. Tyler Wade rookie card. Oh, we've got it's one of those, I think, 83 Topps of Matt Olson. I'm not sure if they all look like that, or if that's considered a refractor. Someone can leave me comments below and let me know. Cespedes and Trey Mancini. So those are really good looking cards. Not sure when this product comes out for 2019, but may have to look at getting a hobby box of it when it does, because like I said, it's definitely a good looking card. I have Stevens rookie card. Tyler Mall rookie card. Future Stars insert of Gary Sanchez. That's a good looking card right there. And Mata. Pretty sure he got lit up quite a few times in the playoffs last year. J.P. Crawford, rookie card. A lot of rookies in this so far. Jake Lamb. That's some kind of see here. Let's see if I can see what that would be called. I need to get a little bit better on, it's not numbered or anything, but get a little bit better on what these parallels are called. That's got a, it's obviously different than the other cards there. Josh Dawson, now a Brave. John Lester. I didn't see what that, if I could find what that was. I'm not sure. I'll have to see what I can find out, or someone let me know in the comments below what the name of that card was. Dominic Smith rookie card. Jonathan Schwoop. Marquez. Eric. I always butcher his last name. Just not even gonna try. There's a Bregman, Rizzo, Mookie Betts, 83. It's a good looking card. And Luis Castillo. Something in there, maybe some kind of insert. Carrasco, Clint Frazier, Freshman Flash. Ryan McMahon, guessing this is a purple. Yep, numbered to 299, 255 out of 299. Rookie card. And Trevor Bauer. So we just have in this first blaster box have this refractor, 4-pack of refractor pack left. See a Chris Bryant on the back. Little nephew, he's a big Chris Bryant fan, so that card may go to him. Well, that's cool. It's got a black and white. I mean, they call it sepia, but it's got a black and white look to it. Harris Bader rookie card. Ahmed Rosera rookie card. Jose Quintana. And that Chris Bryant. Yeah, I'll definitely give that to my nephew. He'll appreciate that. Not sure why he's a Cubs fan, but I think because he watched one of his favorite movies growing up was that Rookie of the Year movie where little boy breaks his arm, pitches for the Cubs. I think that's how he became a Cubs fan. Alright, let's try this second blaster box here. I've got a third one of these. I may just break it off camera to myself. I don't know, maybe May just have a hodgepodge video sometime with different blaster boxes to break open. Maybe we'll get lucky with got some color out of that first box. Ohtani rookie card. Maybe we can get lucky and pull an auto out of this. That would be nice. I don't see anything in there. Carlos Correa. Nicky Delmonico rookie card. Matt Chapman. And Noah Syndergaard. May do a thing where give one of those boxes away if we can start getting some subscriptions, some subs, hit 100 subs or something, might send somebody a blaster box. So keep that in mind. Gregorius. There's a good card right there, Acuna Jr rookie card. So we were looking for a Ohtani rookie card and a Acuna Jr rookie card, and we were able to pull both of them out of this blaster box, so I'm happy with that. Got a Bryce Harper, 83, and a Ryan Braun. So if we don't get any autos out of there, we still got the 2 rookie cards we were looking for. Sure they're not worth much, they're just base rookie cards, but maybe one day they will be. Parker Bridwell, rookie card. Another one of those inserts, future stars. Trey Turner. Matt Carpenter. Try not to move the camera too much here so I don't go in and out of focus. Greg Allen, rookie card. Paul Blackburn, rookie card. Jose Quintana and Luis Severino. Harris Bader, Ahmed Rosario, George Springer, Lewis Brinson, Topps Finest came out this week. It's a good looking product as well. May try to look at getting some of those cards. I've watched quite a few breaks of those and they're definitely good looking. AJ Minter, Syndergaard 83, Justin Verlander, and Joey Gallo. Alright, maybe this pack right here gives some more. Still have that refractor pack left, but see if we can pull something out of this. Doesn't look like there's anything in there, but Simmons, freshman flash of Harrison Bader. Those aren't numbered or anything. Greg Bird and Suarez. All right, last pack here. The 4 refractors. Oh, that is nice. Acuna Jr refractor there. Rookie card. It's been a good box. Birdwell, rookie card. Luke Weaver and Miggy. Hey, I'm not disappointed. I didn't pull any autos or anything. Got one of the purple to $2.99, and then we were able to get Acuna Jr refractor, Acuna Jr rookie card, Ohtani rookie card. So 3 good cards there out of those 2 boxes. Again, just hit the subscribe button, and like I said, we plan to do some giveaways if we can get those subscribes up. If I can get 100, may have a draw and send someone a box of cards. Won't have to pay anything for it. Comment any of those cards I've just pulled. Let me know anything I missed, any questions I had. Like the video, that helps as well. But look for some more videos coming next few days. I know Corey's got some 90s cards he's got coming in. He'll be doing some videos of those, and then I'm gonna get rid of these blasters in front of us. Gonna open those up, and then I'll tear into the hobby boxes. So appreciate you watching. Thank you.